Well, I decided to add a little more bush on the left-hand side. I didn't like this, even this short bit of line running off the edge of the painting. I thought it was too much. And this is the strongest line heading up. So I thought, well, you know, it's a bit countered here, but I think it wouldn't harm to have a second level of downslope here. So, in a way, painting in a little more bush here serves a dual purpose. So why not? You know, after I have this bush washed in, after I have this bush painted, I'm probably going to go and attack. You know, then I will finally put a few strokes of color in these distant hills. I think the painting will likely be done then. Try to make sure I have some broad strokes as well as thin strokes, you know, variety of strokes. I am guilty of sometimes having too many strokes of the same shape, and yeah, that may not be so bad. You know, it can give things a tapestry effect, and sometimes it can be monotonous. And monotonous, well, who wants monotonous? Okay, a little higher value there and there. We'll let it become a little less important towards the bottom. Okay, and as I did with the trunks, these other little trunks, I'm just going to, or little bits of trunk that are showing, I should say. I'm going to just take straight raw lumber, a little bit of titanium white, just a hint. There. Now there's something there. Yeah, something's better than nothing. Yeah, that's certainly an improvement. Okay, just a few vertical shots of stronger ultramarine blue again. Maybe even indicate the odd trunk back there, you know, very gently. Yeah, I think that bush on the lower left, the bushes, the tree tops, however you want to interpret them, help the painting a lot. Now that I have more meat on the lower left, I think to myself, maybe I could have left those trees going up into the sky, but no, I think this is a better way to go. And I think it won't be a problem once I put a few strokes of light in here and there, you know, a little lighter blue. Well, lighter blue along the lines of these values, but definitive strokes. And indicate a few trunks just barely showing up. And I could work on that right now, but I'm not going to. Because what I really want to do is unwrap another 48-inch by 72-inch canvas. I really enjoyed working on the last one. It was a considerable challenge. I love a considerable challenge. So this was a nice break. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it this much. So when I get onto a painting that's huge, I'll enjoy it that much more. This is all I have for you today. We'll stick the big canvas on here and start to dive into that tomorrow. Well, I have a plan. I think I'd like to lean into the direction of a little more color for this one than the last large one that I did. But yeah, I'm just going to have to wait. I have to give it a fair bit of thought. You know, it's a considerable financial investment and investment time-wise, chronological investment. You know, when you buy something like this, I want to think it through carefully before I commit to it. So, we'll see you later.